Hello everyone. Welcome to Hydropower. Today we will be discussing about the storage type hydropower and its type including components. In this season we will talk about the 1. Introduction, 2 types, and 3 components of storage type hydropower. So let's start with the introduction. Storage Type Hydropower project is also known as a reservoir hydropower project, which involves in the construction of a dam or a reservoir to store water. This stored water is released on demand to generate electricity when needed. Storage type hydropower projects play a crucial role in providing reliable and flexible electricity generation, helping to balance and stabilize the power grid by adjusting generation according to demand fluctuations. The key types of a storage type hydropower project are conventional storage hydropower and pump storage hydropower. Now let's elaborate those types. Conventional storage hydropower. This is the traditional form of storage hydropower, where water is stored in a reservoir behind a dam. It can generate electricity by releasing water through turbines to produce power during peak demand. Pump storage hydropower. In this type, excess electricity is used during off-peak hours to pump water from a lower reservoir to an upper reservoir. During peak demand, water is released from the upper reservoir to the lower reservoir through turbines to generate electricity. Now let's talk about the components of storage type hydropower. The components of storage type hydropower project are reservoir, dam, intake structure, penstock, powerhouse, tail race, control room, switchyard, transmission line. Now let's describe all of them in brief. Reservoir, a large storage area created by building a dam across a river. The reservoir stores water that can be released to generate electricity. Dam, a structure built across a river to create the reservoir. Dams can be made of earth, concrete, or a combination of materials. Intake structure, allows water to enter the penstock from the reservoir. Penstock, a pipeline that carries water from the reservoir to the turbine. The pressure of the falling water turns the turbine blades. Powerhouse, a building that contains the turbines, generators, and other equipment necessary for power generation. Inside the powerhouse different electrical and mechanical equipment are installed such as turbines, generator etc. Turbine, a device that converts the kinetic energy of flowing water into mechanical energy. There are different types of turbines, such as Pelton, Francis, and Kaplan, suited for different flow and head conditions. Generator, converts the mechanical energy from the turbine into electrical energy through electromagnetic induction. Tail race, the conduit that carries water away from the turbine after it has passed through. Control system, monitors and manages the flow of water, the operation of turbines, and other aspects of the power generation process. Switchyard, the area where generated electricity is stepped up in voltage and then transmitted through power lines to the grid. One of the major component inside switchyard is transformer. Transformer, increases the voltage of the generated electricity before it enters the power grid. Transmission lines, cables that carry the electricity from the power plant to consumers. Thank you. See you in next video.